Hey, what's up guys? This is Steve. This is not going to be that in-depth of a video, but I hope it helps someone. So I did install a receiver hitch on my Astro van, and now I want to do the trailer light plug. I bought a kit that's just like it's just like a general thing that's available now. I got this at Tractor Supply. I saw the same ones at O'Reilly's. This is a 6-pin with a 4 flat, and I just want to be able to tow anything without like worrying about it. So it's basic deal. This came with a bracket. If I'm not going to use it, I decided to use a hole saw, put a hole in the bumper, so I'll attach this whole thing like that, so it'll just be like that. Okay, so, and trying to do this cheap but also good, the wiring setup I decided to go with is just a general 4-wire deal, and I'm gonna do all the pins on this new one, but I chose this to do the basic wires, and then I'll add like a battery charge wire and a trailer brake wire later. So I'm just going to use this as a simple way to get just the basic lights hooked up. Now, this side I'm doing the turn signal from, and if you look on here, right turn is this green, dark green, and that's on the Astro van, it's this dark green as well. So I'm basically, the main reason I did this video is to show how I'm routing these. So what I'm doing is I'm going to uncoil this and tear the green off almost all the way, because that's going to go to this side and then meet up with the rest of the loom, which the other 3 are going to go up and in this side. And the whole reason I'm doing this video is not to show you everything, but to show you how I'm routing the wires, because I kind of messed up and I want to show you what I did. So it looks like this housing is fiberglass, so it's easy to cut through. So I made a hole right here for the wire to go down. And I also have these grommets. I just got a couple $1 grommet kit. So I'm going to use these to make it so the wire doesn't rub through while driving. Like, I don't want any issues while driving. So that hole is easy to get to, and you got to make another hole underneath. So this other hole, this wire, and basically I have this as a makeshift like a fish wire, fish tape. Ugh. So it's under here, and I got it through this hole here, but this hole is the one originally picked, and then the real spot you're supposed to put it is over here. So you'll see this hole, it ended up working for me, but I'll show you why it's messed up. I didn't realize it wasn't far enough over, and I drilled through the first layer, and then the second layer is here. So I don't know if you can see it, but in here, I don't know where my flashlight is. Anyway, right under there, there's a second wire. Oh, there you go. So that is where my fish tape, my line is going through. So basically, it goes in the housing here, down, and then in the second hole. And I just could see, now this is just an extra hole, but the one under it I'm using, and I drilled that second one I told you is in the right spot. Well, it came out inside. So you got to make sure that you really are up in the corner underneath, or you're not going to get into where you need to go. Now, there is an access panel right here, so it's not the end of the world. But like, why would you want your wire to come in here and in there when you can have it all in there? So, you know, that's just trying to show you how to do a good job in this situation. You don't Swiss cheese your vehicle like I just did. Luckily, this is just kind of like a war rig. I'm turning into kind of like I plan on putting an LS in this, so I just want to make it like a work van that can tow a decent amount. Anyway, so I wanted to show you what happened to me and what happens when you do these holes, just so you can like help place your holes better and kind of know what you're up against. So the one green's going to go to there, and the other 3 are going to go up. Same thing. I'm going to have to drill holes, put grommets on this side, and then so the yellow is the turn signal, and then the brown is the marker lights, the running lights. and black is ground. So I'll tap those 3 in over here, and then on this vehicle, that should do it. All right. And my plug style, I'm just going to, I got these eyes. I hope these work. I don't know if they will, but maybe if anyone has a question on anything, hit me up in the comments and I'll tell you more about it, because I'm just going to finish the video right now. But so I'm going to see if these work to hook onto this new plug. So hopefully it's nice and neat and everything's secure. All right. Well, and that's all I'm going to say on this video. It's not really a full how-to. It's just point out a couple things, and I hope it helps somebody. All right. You guys have a badass day. And also on this channel, I have some machining stuff I'm going to be posting. I do engine machine work. And then I'm going to be building this old 47 International into a drag car to do LS motors. So there's a lot to do. We're just going to do a lot of tinkering and just screwing around. And yeah, all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps someone. Like and subscribe, and have a badass day.